Good morning students. Now I show you some activities that the presence of water vapors in the atmospheric air. Now I take a glass, steel glass that is clean and empty. After that I put some cold water or ice water in it. Look at this. After some times you saw some water vapors surrounding the glass. Look at this. Have you seen it carefully? There is some water vapors around the glass. How its water vapor come out? I put the water in the glass, but there is also some water outer side of the glass because there is air around the glass, and after that this water vapors come and attract the air with the glass, and that air converts in the water vapor. So that is activity to show that the presence of water vapors in the air. Now with some activities I show you the properties of air. First is air is a matter, means air occupies space and has a weight, and it also compressed and exert pressure. What is the meaning of compressed and exert pressure? It means that compressed means आसानी से दबा सकते हैं, and exert pressure और उसमें से pressure भी पास हो सकता है, means वो अच्छे से पास प्रेशर को बाहर निकालती है. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट इज टू प्रूव दैट एयर ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस. फर्स्टली आई टेक अ बैलून विच हैव नो एयर. Okay, this is deflated balloon. In this deflated balloon there is no air. They take a little space on your book, but if I blow the balloon, that take a whole space on your book. Look at this difference, that a inflated balloon take a large space difference between the deflated balloon. So it's proved that air has occupies space. Now in next activity there is show to that air has weight. How can we show that air has weight? There is an example of two football. First is deflated football and second is inflated football. Deflated means जिसमें हवा नहीं भरी है and inflated means जिसमें हवा भरी है. ये प्रूव करता है कि deflated football has no weight but inflated football has weight. I show you activity that there is two balloons. First one is inflated and second one is deflated. Now you show that the balloon which has more air, that scale is go down at the side of the balloon which has more air. So it's proved that air has weight and occupies space. Now students, in third activity there is activity to show that air exert pressure. Means how can we show that air exert pressure? Air बाहर कैसे निकलती है? Look at this. There is a dry clean can. Pour small amount of water into it. हमने इस एक्टिविटी में गैस यूज करना है. एक कैन लेना है, उस कैन के अंदर हमने थोड़ा सा पानी डालना है. आफ्टर दैट वी हीट दिस पैन एंड टाइट इट with the screw cap. After some times the water change into steam and that steam will be decreased, the pressure inside will be decreased. Now I show that how the air exert pressure. Air pressure के साथ कैसे बाहर निकलती है. I have a balloon, inflated balloon which is filled with air. Now I tight it tightly. I cap it tightly means मैंने इसको कस के पकड़ रखा है. इसके अंदर क्या है? There is inside a air. But now students, when I lose their cap, there is come out the air with pressure. So I said that air exert pressure. Now in next activity there is that air can be compressed. There is an activity again with balloon, that I show you balloon. Then when I press it, they can press easily, and after that they get a shape, because inside there is a air, and air gets its own shape of the balloon. So I can compress the balloon easily, but they also do not get in deflated, but they inflated, so it's compressed easily because there is a air inside it. So this activity show that the air can be compressed easily. Thank you. Hope you understand this video very much.